Hey everyone, we'll be doing some arms workout today that particularly is focused upon women arms. So let me introduce Isha. Isha is a training instructor with us and we'll be doing some really good arms workout today. Right, Isha? So let's show some arms today, right? Stretch the arms upside. Keeping our feet little apart from each other, hip distance. Raise your hands up. Elbows come parallel to the shoulders, palms facing each other. Pull the abdomen in, expand your chest, and move your hands in. Keep pulsing. That's great. Relax, easy. Relax your arms. Let's go now. We'll take the hands outside this time. Palms facing out. Take your hands up and palms facing out. Elbows parallel to the shoulders. Let's move it out and out and out and out and out. Out. Keep your upper arms tighter. Pull the abdomen. Keep going. Relax, easy. Relax your hands, pulse your arms, easy. Next exercise, working upon the upper arms. We'll do the pulses in front. Take the hands forward, keep your elbows straight. Straight with the elbows, Isha. Yeah. And hands a little forward. Yeah, and let's go. Move. Right, good. Keep going. That's nice. Pull the abdomen, keep a smile on your face. Keep going. Relax, easy. Relax your arms. Now the same exercise, we'll go back side. Take the hands up, take the hands a little back. Yeah, and then pulse back. Keep going. Relax, easy. Let's do the pulses. Upside now. Feet hip distance apart again. Raise your arms a little down to the shoulders and hands a little forward, palms facing up. Right. Keep your elbows straight. Look forward and pulse upside. Up, and up, and up. Keep moving. Keep your upper arms tight. Relax, easy, relax. Let's do the other one. This time we'll pulse the palms downside. Take the hands up again, a little forward with the hands. Right. And keep the elbows straight, upper arms tighter, and go down and 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 down. Keep flying. That's great. Pull the abdomen, expand the chest. Keep moving the hands. Relax. Going for the other one. This time we'll stretch the wrists. Take your hands out, palms facing outside, fingers facing up. Then stretch it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep your upper arms tight. Pull the abdomen. Keep moving. Relax, easy. Let's do extended arms rotation now. Stretch your arms out. Take the thumbs inside the fist. Take the hands a little forward. And roll, rotate. Keep going. Keep your upper arms tight. Opposite direction. Change. Change. Relax, come down, pulse your arms, easy. Now we'll swing like wings. So turn to the side, bend your knees a little. Take the hand forward and pulse back and hit and hit and hit and hit. Keep hitting. Keep your upper arms tighter. Relax, easy. Breathe for a while. Now the double pulse. Once again, turn to the side. Same way, this time we'll pulse double, right? Take the hand forward and pulse back side. Hit it double. Right. Keep going. Back and back. Keep going. Relax, easy. Relax. Let's make a letter C now. Take your hands out, palm facing forward, and little down actually. Engage your core again. Let's make a letter C from back side and come back. Let's move. Right. A little faster. Bend your elbows a little, Isha. Bend your elbows a little and go. Right. Perfect. Good. Yeah, you're doing excellent. Shabash. Relax. Good. Did really very well. Let's stretch your arms. Take an elbow this way and push it out. Pull it towards me. Okay, this way. Yeah. Then the other one. Hold it with the other hand and stretch. Let's stretch the arm across the chest, pull it in. Right. And another one. Relax, easy. Let's do the crisscross this time. How to do it? We'll again turn to the side. Engage the core, take your hands outside and go criss and go cross. Criss and cross and criss and cross. Go. Keep your upper arms tighter. Relax, easy. Relax the hands. Let's work out on the upper arm. The back side of the upper arm, that is the tricep area. This area will work upon. We'll use a water bottle for that. You may take a 1 liter water bottle. You may fill it with water and we'll move it. Isha, take the water within your hands and come a little forward. Yeah. Your elbow should be tucked in. The upper arm is tucked to the rib cage. Hold your elbow here and move your hand like this and a little outside, turn there. The upper arm should be tighter. Take it up and take it out. Take it up and take it out. Keep going. I'll also show you. Like holding the elbow, keep the upper arm tucked into the rib cage and move it. And move it out. And move it out. Out. And out. Out. Keep going. This way. Upper arms should remain tight. Relax, easy. Let's stretch the triceps a little more. Isha, you need to hold the bottle this way. Yeah, right. Turn to the side and make sure your upper arm is touching the ear. Then take it down, and when you make it straight, tighten the upper arm. Keep moving. Make the arm straight completely. Tighten the arm and go down. Straighten and tighten the arm. Keep going. It's moving like this. Relax. See. Let's do another exercise to tone up the upper arm to strengthen that also. Let's do a plank. Isha, turn to the side. Sit down. Take your arms forward. Make sure your shoulders are just above the palms. And keep your upper arms tighter. Push your shoulders a little more forward. And keep the upper arms tighter. Keep looking forward. Yeah, it should be flat with the back. So raise your tailbone a little high. Little more up. Little more. Keep looking forward. Engage the core. That's right. You're doing great. Keep holding for some time. We shall hold it for half a minute. Good. Keep holding. You should be pressing the downside of the knuckles down and the fingertips also down to release the pressure from the wrist. Keep holding. Relax them down, sit down. And we'll do a plank for the triceps now. So take your legs in front. The abdomen is facing forward. Go a little more forward, right. Now make the legs straight, feet together, and raise the middle body up. The fingers are facing the feet. Knees a little more straighter. Look upside. That's great. You're doing good. And make sure your upper arms are tighter. So the focus remains here, this area. Keep holding. Keep holding, please. You're doing great. Keep holding. We shall hold it for half a minute again. Right. Keep holding. Keep holding. That's nice. Relax. Sit down. Sit comfortable now. Sit with ease. So that was the arms workout we did today. And I should thank Isha for doing it so graciously and so nice. So hope it'll work for you. If you practice it on a daily basis, it'll tone up your arms and at the same time it'll strengthen yourself, strengthen the shoulders and strengthen the upper arms. Thank you very much for now.